Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Maxim gun in Dead Rails. To begin, understand that the Maxim gun is a powerful defensive turret, ideal for holding choke points. Place it strategically at the start of a wave to cover key enemy pathways. Its high rate of fire, often around 600 rounds per minute, makes it excellent for sustained damage against multiple targets. Ensure it has a clear line of sight for maximum effectiveness from the very first shot. For optimal deployment, position your Maxim gun at intersections or long straightaways where enemies funnel. Prioritize targeting heavy armored units first, as the Maxim's sustained fire can quickly strip their defenses. For groups of smaller enemies, let its wide arc of fire thin them out. Aim slightly ahead of moving targets to compensate for projectile travel time, ensuring every bullet counts and maximizes your damage output against the advancing horde. Upgrading your Maxim gun is crucial for late-game success. Focus on damage and range upgrades first, which can boost its effectiveness by 20 to 30%. Keep an eye on its ammunition count. Reload manually during lulls in the action to avoid running dry mid-wave. Regular repairs are also vital, especially after taking heavy fire, to maintain its defensive integrity and ensure it continues to provide consistent suppression against the enemy. To truly master the Maxim gun, integrate it with other defensive structures. Pair it with slow towers to maximize its damage window, or with area of effect defenses for combined crowd control. Don't be afraid to reposition it if the enemy path shifts or a new threat emerges, though this should be done sparingly. Mastering its placement and upgrades will ensure it remains a cornerstone of your defense, providing unwavering support throughout every challenging wave.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.